Hey guys, so Ross RC here. In this video, I'm actually asking for some help. I got this HPI Savage HP Flux used a while ago. I ran it maybe 3 or 4 times. The last time I ran it, which I had a video on, I had a pretty bad crash. Crashed into a pole in midair, lost the dock bone, cracked the A-arm. I got the RPM replacement in there. Bought the stock A-arms, the dog bones, and they're actually pretty expensive, 20 bucks for a pair. Anyway, it's been months. I finally put everything back together. It's been sitting in my garage for a while, and I need some help. I don't know. Can you guys please tell me if this sound is normal? Some pretty loud clicking there. I know the drive gear is the weak point on this truck, and I don't think the previous owner put the heavy-duty ones in there. This is still a stock one. I can't really see the gear from here. I can see the spur and the pinion; they look fine. But like I said, I only ran this guy 3 or 4 times. I don't really know if it usually makes this valve a clicking noise. So guys, please let me know in the comment section. Let me know if this is actually normal, or should I really be replacing the drive gear. Alright, thanks.